Alright guys, we got a special delivery from Lehman's. I went ahead and I picked up a few things because I got some extra Christmas money. So, thought I'd do a nice little reveal. I ordered a couple different things from Lehman's, but this one I'm really excited about because it's actually going to be an upgrade to what we have. And it is fragile. Alright, so we're going to open this. That way. Alright, so Hope took care of our package. Thank you, Hope. Ooh, that's another box. Okay, it's a box inside of a box. I can take the paper out. I can't get my hands around
I thought the box seemed a little large.
Well,
I was thinking of where are we going to put this thing? That box doesn't exactly seem small.
No, it doesn't.
Do you need some help? I feel bad watching you struggle.
No, I'm okay. I'm okay. Alright, so hold on. Let me put all this stuffing back in. Okay. Do not drop.
Well, Lehman's isn't afraid of packing their stuff nice.
No. Oh, I'm sorry, Sadie. Sorry, Sadie. I'm sorry, honey.
Poor girl.
I'm sorry, Sadie. Alright, let me get your knife back out again. Okay. Box number 2.
Oh my God.
Alright. Put that up again. Okay. Oh, we got a cookbook. We got the new, what's this called? Excalibur Dehydrator.
Nice.
Came a little, got a little book. And, alright, let's see here. This, okay, this is the front. Okay. I'm going to slide it out. Sadie, watch out. Hey guys, alright, for some reason we lost the last part of our footage when we did the unboxing here. So we're going to just kind of pick up where we left off. But as you can tell, this is the machine here, the dehydrator. Over here you have, Donald's been using it since we last put it, but you have all your information as to the temperature for each item. You got the dial for what you need it for. Now this part lifts off, real simple. You have the 5 trays. Each tray comes with a removable plastic mesh that it's easily you can wash, and then you can buy accessories. I just bought it just for the dehydration purposes. I'm not looking to do like the fruit roll-ups or like the gummy stuff. I'm not looking to do that. But all of these trays come out. Now Donald has been using it to raise his bread.
It works great for proofing bread.
Yeah, proofing bread. It's wonderful. It takes a lot of, it only, takes about, half an hour for you?
About a half an hour, when normally I was having to let it sit and rise for an hour.
Yeah, so it helps out a lot, but it fits nicely on our stove. Right now, this stove we're not using, but we do plan on hooking it up once we get the hood vent for it, because it does put out a lot of heat. So we definitely need the circulation. So for right now, it's just sitting here, so that way we can use it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of our dehydrator. We'll see y'all next time. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and grow something for your family.